Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in Sims 4. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch game Sims 4 like me and you will see in right corner options. If you don't see this, just press escape button and move here to game option. In this first section graphics, move here to display tape, click on it. If you have full screen, switch this and set window full screen. Move on VSync, switch this off. Move here down on this section Sims. If you have here medium, click on it and switch to very high. Move here to objects, click on it and switch to low. Lighting from very high, switch to low. Reflection from high, switch to off. Visual effects from high, switch to low. Move here right, edge smoothing, click on it, from high, switch off. 3D scenes resolution from high, switch medium. View distance from high, switch this low. And check these scene textures and post-process effects. Check these two sections and go here apply changes. Go here OK and go back in new game. After all, you have the best FPS settings in Sims 4. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS settings in Sims 4 on your PC or laptop with these extremely settings. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.